In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate OneDrive Request File within Microsoft Forms for external users. We'll set up a secure OneDrive Request Files link and then place that link inside a Microsoft form so people outside your organization can upload documents directly to your folder without seeing its contents. First, sign into OneDrive on the web using your work or school account. Once you're in, go to My Files. This is your main library where all your folders and documents live. Choose an existing folder for incoming uploads or create a new one dedicated to submissions. A clear descriptive folder name helps you and your team find things later, and keeping it separate from other files makes permission management and cleanup easier. Right-click that folder and select Request Files. This feature generates a special upload-only link. Anyone with the link can upload, but they won't be able to open the folder or view what's inside, which is perfect for external contributors and privacy. Add a short description that tells people exactly what to send, such as the file types you want, naming conventions, or a due date. Specific guidance reduces back and forth and messy resubmissions. Click Next, and then copy the link that OneDrive provides. This is the link your respondents will use to upload their files. You can test it in a private browser window to confirm it opens an upload page and asks the sender for their name. When you're done, select Done to close the dialog. Now open Microsoft Forms and go to the form you want to use. You can create a new form or edit an existing one. Add a text or a choice question and paste the OneDrive request link into the question text. Keep the wording clear and visible so respondents don't miss it. In the question prompt, explicitly tell people what to do. For example, write, "Please click this link to upload your files." You can note that it opens in a new tab and that they should return to the form afterward to finish any remaining questions. Next, open the form's settings. Under Who can fill out this form, choose Anyone can respond. This is essential for allowing external users to access the form and follow the upload link without needing to sign in. That's it. Your form now directs external users to upload files safely into your OneDrive folder while your responses stay organized in one place. As a best practice, try the full flow yourself in a private window and confirm that uploaded files appear in the target folder. When everything looks good, share your form link and start collecting files with confidence.